Hey Scrappers, it's Vanessa, and today I have a layout for SpiegelMom scraps, and it is going to be a quick layout for today. I know this layout goes up on the 23rd, so it is almost Christmas, and so this layout, of course, is also going to be a Christmas themed layout because 'tis the season for sure. I am just showing you here my background. I have a piece of pattern paper. I want to say this is from the Hey Santa line by Crate Paper. I have that pattern paper matted on a red piece of cardstock. I did add some white paint splatters, and then I am gluing down here my cut file. This is a cut file from Confessions of a Paper Addict, so I'm going to use that for my background. That is also why the layout does not take very long, because that cut file is nice and large, and so it's going to take up the majority of my page. So now that I have that cut file down, I am just going to mat my photo here on some black cardstock, and it is of my son, and he is in front of the Christmas tree. And of course, my ATG does not want to work. I don't know, I think it's the tape that's in this one, but man, that ATG is giving me fits lately. So once I get that fixed, I'm going to glue my photo down on that black cardstock, and I'm going to place it right there on the page. I have it so that the cut file is kind of over top of the edge of the photo, and so I really like that. Now I do have a whole bunch of ephemera pieces here that I went ahead and cut. These are all print and cut files from a Simple Stories collection. I don't think these are from the Hey Santa collection. I think these are all from a Simple Stories collection. I am not sure which one. It would be an older one, but they're all digital files that I went ahead and printed and then fussy cut. So I am just going to lay these out. Like I said, there's not a whole lot of embellishing on this page, and it went really fast because I just have that one cluster at the top, and then I have this little cluster here at the bottom that's going to house my title, which I thought was super fitting for Dear Santa, Define Good. That actually is from a Vicky Boutin ephemera collection. Yeah, because of course it's a picture of my son, and that would be that title makes perfect sense if you know my son. So yeah, it was definitely the perfect layout to use that title. So now you're probably wondering where the sequins come in. So here is what we are going to do. Once I get where my photo is going to go, I do get that glued down because that's going to be important for this next part. I am using the red Rapture sequins. These are a completely red, all different kinds of red sequins pack, and so I have poured it out there in my tray, and I am actually going to use these red sequins, and I'm going to fill in the poinsettia floral on this cut file. And then also for up among the leaves, there's some like little circular kind of what would be like berries, I think. And so I'm going to fill those in with some sequins as well. I am not going to leave this all on camera because obviously this took me a while. So I figured I would build the layout with you on camera, walk you through what I was doing, go ahead and do one or two of the petals of the floral just so you could see I'm literally taking my crystal katana, taking the sequins, and I am placing them inside the petals of the poinsettia, and basically that is where all of my sequins are going to go, and I love the way this looks. It's so nice and sparkly and beautiful with all of those sequins for the petals. I've done this quite a few times with my cut files as a way to back them, and I always love how it turns out. So I'm just going to go ahead here and finish up this one. And of course I'm having trouble because I have glue on the end of my picker-upper tool, and the sequins don't want to come off. Once I had all those down, there you can see everything is glued down. The glue is still drying, but I was able to come back, and all I did was take these huge sort of medallion type sequins that were also in that collection, and I had three. I don't know if there was more, but I had three left in my package, and so I just used those to place them amongst my clusters, and that was it. That's all this layout needed. So here are the still photos. I will have in the description box a link to the shop. Be sure to go check out and grab yourself some sequins. I don't know that these ones are available, but definitely plenty of fun, beautiful, sparkly sequins to do this kind of technique on your page. So with that, guys, Merry Christmas, and I will catch you on the next one. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.